I was in the crowded courtroom listening to the oral arguments related to the government's case against Lisa Cook at the Supreme Court today. The AP had a front row seat, and I was able to see Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell as well as Lisa Cook in the audience, intently listening to the justices' questions for attorneys on both sides of the case. After about 2 hours of questions for the lawyers on both sides of the issue, the justices, both conservative and liberal, seemed to be a bit skeptical about the idea of allowing the president to remove Cook. There were also questions about the notice and inquiry part of the case, whether or not she required notice as well as an opportunity to explain herself in front of some sort of tribunal.
Thank you.
How do you feel the arguments went?
And Justice Sotomayor brought up this idea that the world's confidence is really being tested here, and the world's confidence in due process is being tested with this case. So that's also an issue that the justices will be focusing on as they come to a determination. The justices are going to have to determine a lot of major questions in this case, but we do know that it will have impacts on the global economy as well as the domestic economy, and the overall independence of the Fed is really at question here as well. And we'll see what happens when a decision is rendered.